performance, it's either Team Camille,
or Team Kim.
basta, and second performance, yung other group. So, dalawa na yon. So, hindi tayo parang, dalawang routine yon. So, sa team ko, gagawa kami ng routine with the yo-yo. And then, Team Camille, gagawa din sila kanilang routine with the yo-yo.
Fumi is out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the whole week?
Ha? Sayang naman yun.
Talaga.
Sayang.
Fumi is not gonna participate the entire week?
Anong sinabi?
Wala. Kasi hindi
Sayang.
siya pwede.
Sayang.
Tatlong performance. Yun.
Yeah, the first performance is gonna be
fun.
either or
So, again, first performance,
either Camille's group or Kim's group.
Either or same magpa-perform.
Same. Pero
Same
hindi pa alam ko sino mauuna.
kabila din kasi, same din. Dalawang grupo din sila. So, dalawang grupo, Team Kim and Team Camille. So, ako, gagawa ko ng routine with my team. Camille din gagawa ng routine with team. So, dalawang performance na yun. Pangatlong performance,
Is
puppet show.
Puppet show.
Puppet show.
Yo-yo,
We
with the
still need
big
to use hands and
fit.
foot. Isa lang. Foot.
Pwedeng dalawa.
Ganito yung mangyayari. It's like,
Puppet show, I miss
I really gotta wax these bad boys.
Okay.
Dykes.
parang ganito siya.
Pwedeng
Imagine
dalawa,
na ito
pwedeng
yung platform, pataas. This is the head, actually. This is the head.
Meron siyang wig dito at saka ilong dito sa
Yeah. This is the,
Tapos nakaangat siya ng konti
okay.
para sa damit.
And, performance yun na lahat.
That's
So,
everything.
it's different from yo-yo kasi, di ba, by team yun. So, ito,
So, yeah.
lahat tayo.
So for yo-yo, there are two groups. But for this one,
It's all of us
Yeah,
together.
okay.
Individual or?
No, all of us
All of
together.
us.
So, we need to, like, create a show. And may dalawang parte yon,
2 parts.
2 parts. Yung isang parte is may kanta. Like, what song? And then the second part is yung
Isang buong part lang. Isang buong part, may parang may kwento siya. May story yung puppet. Like, may kanta, dapat original song. And then, pwede nating gawin na seryoso or nakakatawa. Mas
Nakakatawa.
maganda kung
Make it serious.
nakakatawa siya. But, original song natin.
pero yung song na gagamitin natin dito, original song. Original song.
Original songs.
Ulitin mo, original.
Original song. Yes, because we can actually use your composed songs, Chantel.
Yeah, that's true.
So, para mas
Para na.
mabilis yung progress natin sa
Para
paggawa
na.
ng puppet show. So, again, that's the third performance.
Pwedeng isang paa, pwedeng dalawang paa.
Quite random, out of nowhere, puppet show.
So yo-yo.
So, again. Weekly task,
Yo-yo, two groups.
tatlong performance. First performance, Team Kim. Second performance, Team Camille, or vice versa.
Okay.
Team Camille. Third performance, the puppet.
Okay.
So, yung puppet show, kailangan may kanta and may story.
Yeah.
So, yung kanta, para mas mabilis, hindi na tayo mahirapan,
One of Chantal's songs.
one of Chantel's songs. Pwede din gumawa if gusto, if mabilis. Then, another is yung story, na may story yung puppet. So,
Can it be about anything at all?
ha?
About anything at all? Is there a specific theme?
Kayo na mag-iisip
Kayo na
ko.
mag-iisip.
Ako nga naisip ko, since mahilig siya mag-beatbox, para alive yung performance natin sa puppet,
May sayaw-sayaw.
may sayaw sa beatbox, like yung budots niya. Pwede nating
With the
sayaw.
feet,
Ganon-ganon yun.
Bullets,
Yeah.
Nice.
So, yun. Again, recap. Any questions, guys? Any questions? So,
Tapos dun sa puppet, boses natin mismo yung gagamitin, hindi siya lip sync.
boses natin mismo. Tayo yung kakanta.
So, ganito yung itsura kasi niya. Nakaangat yung ulo. Yan yung pinaka-ulo. Tapos may dress. Tapos ito yung kamay. Tapos gumagano siya.
Yeah, so it's just
use
gonna
your
be
feet.
a little puppet.
Yes.
Yeah, the
Yes,
feet,
that's the
the
head.
foot is the head,
Talaga.
and the hands are hands.
Got you.
May wig dito.
We stretch.
Tapos ilong. Nose.
That's the puppet show.
And we have
First batch.
an instructor.
We don't know who's gonna.
We have an instructor.
Later.
May visitor tayo mamaya na magtuturo sa atin. later
Visitor. We have
about
a visitor
sa
later. We have a visitor.
puppet.
later.
About sa puppet.
We have a visitor later.
Okay.
Today.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we got a lot of things
For the
to
puppet.
think and
We're
to do.
busy.
So
We're gonna-
again and again, 3 performance weekly tasks.
The puppet
First,
show will be today. No.
No, no.
it's a weekly.
Within
Kasali yun sa
It's
sa
included.
It's
sa
part of the
overall
final
performance
performance.
ng
It's part of the
actor ng yo-yo. Maybe
Oh, okay, got you.
The
Just
puppet.
practice.
Random.
Practice.
And the acting, wow.
Yung acting, iba daw yun.
uh,
Oh,
yung
sponsored
the
task.
fresh.
Yeah, it's just a
Iba
sponsored
yun,
task.
it's not weekly task.
Official tasking.
So maybe in an hour darating yung
Yeah.
An hour.
instructor na magtuturo sa atin sa to give us more information sa kung paano gawin yung puppet show. So start thinking.
Okay.
Ayan,
The
ayan.
video of the
Ayan yung video.
Yan yung video.
of
The fresh.
Ayan yung video.
oh puppet. RC mo.
Is that a foot?
Is that a
Yeah.
Wow.
Yung isang ano dyan, dalawa yung gamit niya.
Yan.
Oh! RC. Oh. At the foot. Oh. Can we do that? Thunderbolts and lightning, very.
Yeah, lit.
Oh.
Ayan o, yung isa o. Dalawa yung gamit niya.
Ni Waki, dalawa na yung parang gamit niya.
Oh my God.
Yo.
Parang may ganyan.
Pangit pa ako. Kapalit-palit pa ako. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, I remember this.
Walk him.
Ako na lang.
Oh, this is a full show.
So cute. Oh! That's so weird.
It's so weird.
Oh my God, that's so cute.
Thank you, kuya.
Oh, thank you, kuya.
That's cute.
Yeah.
Ang pagtatanghal na gagawin ninyo ay dapat tumagal ng 3 minuto.
Performance of 3 minutes.
Hindi na lalagpas doon.
Not over.
Lahat?
Maaaring magsimula kayo sa isang kwento, sa isang narrative, na magbe-break into a song. Malinaw ba yon?
Okay.
Okay.
Ngayon,
Segue to a song.
gusto ko ng pag-usapan ninyo kung ano yung kantang yun.
What song?
Ay po, kuya.
Okay po.
Okay, kuya.
Bilang paghahanda sa bisitang darating. Chantel,
Yes po.
kung gusto mo, maaari mong ibahagi yung mga nagawa mo.
Yes, kuya. Okay po.
Sige, pag-usapan nyo na to.
Sige po,
kuya. Thank you po.
Okay po.
May lalabas lang.
Okay. Any suggestion? Me go first or you go first?
3 minutes.
The performance.
Thinking of one of song of Chantel yung Making
Yes.
Plano.
And tingin,
Kasi mas easier siya na i-portray sa story kasi parang love
And it's
story.
jolly. Jolly.
Jolly siya, di ba? Since 9 tayo, parang story siya ng dalawang tao na love story, parang ganun. And some parang ganun. Parang some sa atin is like
Bro, I got ugly.
actually yan din iniisip ko yung kilig na kilig.
group of
And then yung
guys.
tingin,
Pero lahat tayo, di ba?
Oo.
Lahat tayo eh.
Dapat hindi siya makalat kasi ang dami natin eh.
Oo.
Dapat may scene eh. Kahit konting scene lang.
So we have to have 9 feet.
No.
papasok
I
tayong
don't think
lahat.
so.
And some people
Not all at the same time.
Kunwari, yung isang paa sabihin, pupunta ako sa mga kaibigan ko, gusto mo sumama? Tapos yun, pwede yung dun papasok yung budots.
Kilig o kay saya? Kay saya kasi panglahatan.
Pang friend.
Panglahatan yun. Yung kilig, pang dalawa lang.
Can we use 2 songs?
Pwede rin.
Okay, saya.
Nung nakita natin yung video nila, iba, insert yung ano nila. Parang ano lang.
Yeah, I'm sure we can have more than 1 song. Diba? If it's 3 minutes, it's just snippets.
Hindi whole
More
song.
than, not the whole song.
It's a highlight song.
Yeah.
Yung highlight.
Parang chorus lang.
Yung chorus lang, ganon.
Highlight lang.
So, first thing to do is yung story. So, at least we can insert songs kung saan yung pwede.
Diba?
Storyline lang muna, no? So, other suggestions sa story? Aside from love story? Since we are 9 na pwede magamit yung 9 na paa. 9 na paa, actually. 9, hindi tao, paa.
a story. And how many feet?
9.
9.
Reunion.
You want to do like a family
Reunion.
So,
Reunion?
Basta parang ang ending, it's like being
Ay,
together
saya.
and singing. Singing together.
Hintay ko na ng gamit sa
May guitar, may guitar.
po.
Please
Reunion.
let there be a guitar there.
It could be a wedding.
You suggest
Wedding.
your
Yeah.
love story.
Wedding.
Sinabi ba ni Kuya na lahat
Comedy
tayo?
wedding.
Yeah, you remember the wedding we did? Me, JC and you,
Lahat as
and
in
Tori
nine?
and you? That thing.
Anong gagawin?
Ang
Ganon.
iniisip ko, pwede namang support na lang yung iba. Like, di ba merong
Or reunion.
nakaalala
Reunion,
si-
yung story.
pangalan ng isa.
Reunion ng friends. Reunion natin, for example.
Something sa likod nila. Nakita mo ba yung nakasupport sa kanila? Nahawak sila dito?
I doubt. Kasi siguro gusto ni Kuya is like involve lahat. Involve lahat ng 9 na mag-perform. Pero I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Pero yun lang yung pagkaintindi ko na as a group mag-perform.
I was thinking kasi kung, di ba, 9 tayo, or 5 or 4, yung may paa. And then, support. Kasi may nakita ako, hawak dito, si RC.
Support.
Nakasupport. Kasi, sobrang haba niyan pagka tayong 9. Ang haba ng kailangan na mesa kasi tabi-tabi tayo dun.
She got a guitar.
Yay!
Yun.
Doon na ka lang sa...
Yun yung iniisip ko.
Para ano na. Wait.
Tapos kasi may nakahawak, kasi kailangan nilang nakaganon dun.
Make up.
So may
Hahawak sa likod.
hawak sa likod. Yun yung iniisip ko. Butas. Okay lang, may panty. Ay, may cycling yan, cycling. Cycling.
Go girl.
Kakulay na ano. Yun yung iniisip ko.
Magkapos.
At pala tinanong ko na kay Kuya. Kasi hindi naman porket tayong lahat sama doon, tayong lahat magpe-perform. Pwede naman yung iba support. Like, mag-aabot ng mga kailangan. Or yung hawak nga